So you want to learn how to launch your jet ski for the very first time down that ramp? I'll show you how to do it step by step and to keep it simple. So stay tuned, I've got you covered. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside Guy. My name is Derek, and you probably found this video because you are needing to learn how to launch your jet ski down that boat launch ramp for the very first time. It can be a little nerve-wracking, but in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get it done. So let's get started. All right, so before we get your jet ski down that ramp for the very first time, there are a few things that you have to do to prepare your ski before you even get down into the water. You just can't plop it right in there and expect to go. So let's go over a couple of things that you need to do to prepare your ski to get it ready so you do have a successful first launch. And by the way, if you have not yet seen my video on how to reverse your trailer to get down the boat launch ramp for your first time, you can check out in the description down below. I did a whole video on how to reverse your trailer to keep it simple. All right, we're gonna start right here at the stern of the ski. Most importantly, rule number one, to get those drain plugs put in. So we've got one on each side, we got one over here, and one on this side. So let's go ahead and get those put in right now before you do anything else. All right, that was easy, right? So next is to remove your straps. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so you're all set here at the stern of the ski. That was simple, right? All right, let's keep moving forward. All right, next up is to set up your dock bumpers. Whatever type of bumpers you have for your jet ski, go ahead and get those on right now. So let's do that. Okay, next are gonna be your dock ties. I happen to have some bungee dock ties right here. So as soon as you get in the water, you gotta get yourself tied up right away. So I've got to tie one right here to the ski, and I'm going to do one right over here on the handlebar. So let's get those in. And I just want to lay this right here, so when I'm ready to tie up, it's within arm's reach. And the next one, put it right here on the rear seat handle. And I'm going to lay that in across just like that. All right, we've made our way to the front of the ski. So I've got a safety pin here. You should probably have one as well too. So we want to release the safety pin first. So let's get that out. And you can just put that aside somewhere. We're not going to release the winch just yet. That'll be when we get to the ramp to release the ski. All right, so far so good, right? So now a couple more things we got to do. Grab your key. We have to start up that jet ski really quick just to ensure it starts before you launch it into the water. So let's do that. There we go, good to go. Okay, so as far as storage is concerned, make sure you get everything in your storage for the day. So I have a small glove box here. I can put some small items in there if I need. And also my larger storage unit, I can put everything and anything I need for my entire day in here. I can put all my camera equipment, I can put towels, water, backpack, all kinds of things here to make sure I have a good day on the water. So you want to make sure you do that here in the parking lot, in the staging area, before you actually get to the ramp and launch your ski. All right, guys, we got one more safety check to do before we go ahead and get down that boat launch ramp. So let's do a quick walk around and just to make sure everything is good to go. All right, so we're gonna start our final walk around right here at the hitch. So just make sure it's good to go, it's locked, and we'll make our way around. Our safety pin and winch. So we know the safety pin has been removed, the strap is out, and don't forget, the winch, we're not gonna release that until we get to the water line. So we have our dock tie set, ready to go. Bumpers are on, all set, ready to go. And of course, the back of the ski, we gotta make sure those darn drain plugs are in. So let's double check those. And the rear straps have been taken off. So moving our way around, everything's good to go here. We did start the engine briefly, so we know that's good. And that is it for our final safety walk around. Oh, there's one more thing I gotta do. I gotta change the clothes. All right, all prepped up, all changed up. Are you guys ready to launch the ski for your first time? Well, let's go. All right, real quick, just before we head down to the launch ramp, one more final quick tip just before you take off is to make sure you put down your windows. So when you're backing down that ramp, just make sure you have your head on a swivel. The windows are open just in case someone needs to grab your attention for whatever reason. And don't forget to turn off your music so you can hear if someone's trying to grab your attention for whatever reason. So let's get to it. Here we go. All right, I'm getting ready to approach the docks here. So it looks like I've got a nice big open space here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a nice big deep turnaround here. So this is perfect timing. I'm gonna come all the way down here close to the docks. And I'm gonna make a nice deep turn here. And I'm gonna come all the way back up and straighten out my ski as much as possible. Got my music off, windows open, and we're going backwards. And take it nice and slow. Remember to use your mirrors. And if you have to, if something goes wrong, you see the trailer going the wrong way, that's okay. Number one rule, don't freak out. Just pull forward and reset yourself going backwards. But we're looking good so far, so let's keep going backwards. Constantly looking left and right. Nice and slow. No need for rushing. All right guys, here we are at the waterline. I want to give you just a quick tip here when you're backing in your ski. So this is it, here we are. So I want to give you this quick tip really fast. Check it out. So every trailer is going to be a little bit different. When you're backing down and you're getting into that water, what I typically look for is when that water is coming up right around my wheel right here and it's submerged. You see the ski down like so. When it hits the water, you'll see the stern just kind of pop up a little bit and you'll know that it's ready to be pushed off that trailer. All right guys, so you ready to do it? Let's go. Okay, so you got to get your feet wet. Water's a little cold today, but we're going to come over to the winch and release the winch. So all we got to do is just get this thumb release, pull that down, and as I release the winch, the ski should already be floating. So I need to detach the hook, so I'm going to give this a little bit of a push. Give me some more slack. It's really easy to push off the ski. And then we'll go ahead and winch this back up. All right, so the ski is floating, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and hop on and ride it off. Okay, plug in the key and we'll get it started. Put it in reverse and we're going to go ahead and park the ski. close to the dock. Turn off your ski. And the reason I'm over here is sometimes the launch ramp can be busy. I just want to make sure you and myself, we get out of everybody's way. So we just want to have that good boat ramp etiquette. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie off now, and then we got to put the car back in the lot. So let's do that. So I've got some bungee wraps here. Here's one. And there's two. All right guys, so we're all set and secure right here. So now let's go ahead and get the vehicle and bring it back to the parking lot. All right guys, the car is away. Got the ski right here. There's only one thing left to do, and that's get in the ski. All right, and lastly, we're gonna get that life vest on, get my key hooked up, ready to go. So I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. I know it can be a little daunting, a little nerve-wracking, but when I did it for my first time, if I can do it, you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you know that anybody that needs help backing down their ski and launching for the very first time, go ahead and share this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And don't forget, make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.